Hi. This video will teach you how to efficiently use SENSIT and create very relevant articles without spending hours researching your topic. The only mandatory field that you need to fill in is the topic of your article. After that, you can simply click on the Generate Article button and SENSIT will generate a new article on that topic. But, for optimal results, it is also recommended to fill the other fields. By clicking on the AI description button, SENSIT will generate a description of your article using your input from the topic field. If you consider the description generated by our AI to be relevant to your topic, leave it as it is. If needed, you can edit it or generate a new one again. You can do the same for keywords and outlines. Remember to check and edit the generated outputs in these fields if you feel they are not matching your main topic. Once all fields are populated with relevant information, click on the Generate Article button. Approximately 1 minute later, our AI will return a relevant full article that will have been developed based on your inputs in the topic, description, keywords, and outlines fields. Next, we will check how you can use the Inspire Me tool. This is basically a research tool that shows you important data about how your competitors are building articles on the same topic, what are the trending topics in your niche, what are the most common questions on your specified topic, what are the most frequent related searches, and what keywords the auto-suggest feature of most search engines is showing. Enter your topic in its specified field and click on the Inspire Me button to use this tool. Approximately 1 minute later, our tool will display your requested report. Once your report is generated, by clicking on the Trending button, you will see the trending queries and topics for both your topic and its related ones, too. In the Also Asked section, you will find a list of questions closely related to your topic. The Related Searches and the Auto-Suggest sections will display keywords found in search engines that are also closely related to your topic. The Competitors section contains the top 5 results in search engines for your topic. Please note that our AI will try to avoid e-commerce and social media sites because the content on these platforms is usually poor in resources like keywords, descriptions, and outlines. You can take inspiration from all this data when populating the description, keywords, and outlines fields needed by SENSIT to generate a high-quality article. For the description and outlines fields, it's best to avoid copying the exact ideas you find in the competitors section because our AI might use them precisely as they are, without modifying them, and your article could contain plagiarized data. When populating the keywords field in SENSIT, you can confidently use keywords from your competitors. Of course, this is recommended only for the data in the competitors section. You can use the data from other sections without worries because our AI extracts it directly from search engines, and it consists of popular keywords, ideas, questions, and topics only. So, when taking inspiration for the outlines from your competitors, remember to modify them to avoid any plagiarism issues. Using data from any other section except the competitor's one doesn't require modifications from your side. Don't forget that you can also add your own input in each of these fields. You can take keywords from the competitors section without worries of any plagiarism issues. Once you've filled all the necessary fields, click on the Generate Article button. Approximately 1 minute later, SENSIT will return a high-quality, relevant article that will follow all the requirements you mentioned in the topic, description, keywords, and outlines fields.